Characteristics of life. We are surrounded by living, biotic, and non-living, abiotic things. All animals and plants are living things, and biology is the study of these living things. To be considered alive, an organism must exhibit all the characteristics of living things: cells, metabolism, movement, respond to stimuli, development, and reproduction. Cells. All living things are made of cells. Cells have specialized functions within the organism. Even single-cell organisms have everything they need to be self-sufficient. On the left is a desmid, a unicellular algae of the genus Clusterium. In multicellular organisms, specialization increases until some cells do only certain things. On the right is a sample of normal circulating human blood. One can see red blood cells, several white blood cells including lymphocytes, a monocyte, a neutrophil, and many small disc-shaped platelets. Living things can organize cells into tissues, organs, and organ systems. Metabolism. All living things acquire and use energy and nutrients and dispose of waste. Any process in a living thing that involves synthesizing complex substances from simpler substances is called anabolism. An example of anabolism is photosynthesis, as seen on the left. The breaking down of complex substances into simpler substances is called catabolism. An example of catabolism is cellular respiration, as seen on the right. The total sum of all chemical reactions in the organism, the balance of anabolism and catabolism, is called the metabolism. Energy generated through the metabolism is used for movement, responding to stimuli, development, and reproduction. Movement. All living things move in some way. Movement allows living things to obtain essential requirements such as water, air, or food, as well as to protect themselves or locate a mate. Respond to stimuli. All living things detect and adapt to their internal and external environments. Organisms react to a variety of stimuli, such as light, temperature, odor, sound, gravity, heat, water, pressure, and more, in order to maintain homeostasis. Homeostasis is the ability of an organism to maintain a state of internal balance despite changing conditions in the external environment. For example, if it is hot outside and your body temperature rises, you sweat to lower your body temperature, as seen on the left. And if it is cold outside and your body temperature lowers, you shiver and get goosebumps to raise your body temperature, as seen on the right. Over time, adaptations enable organisms to become better suited to their environments. Development. All living things grow and repair themselves. Over the lifespan, all living things grow larger and more complex. For example, a caterpillar grows into a butterfly, a tadpole grows into a frog, and a human infant grows into an adult. Living things also have the ability to rebuild, repair, or heal themselves when sick or injured. Reproduction. All living things pass genetic information onto their offspring. Reproduction can be sexual or asexual. Sexual reproduction requires two cells from different individuals. In asexual reproduction, a single organism can reproduce without the aid of another. All living things have limited lifespans, so the ability to reproduce is essential to ensure species survival. If something has one or more of the characteristics reviewed, it does not necessarily mean that it is living. Crystals grow, but they are not alive. Ice responds to its surroundings, but it is not alive. Fire and clouds reproduce, but they are not alive. Cars move, but they are not alive. To be considered alive, an organism must exhibit all the characteristics of living things.